No, you can never rest.
Yeah.
Like, your business will always change. Even if you perfect it, you think you perfected it, the market's going to change. Something's going to be. I really think we need to figure out CRISPR, how to do that. That's going to be the gold rush in 5-10 years. One and done treatments.
I think that let me think about that more. I have probably a couple.
They're just
of different
infusions.
ways.
But you need specialized doctors.
This is Dave's wheelhouse here. He's going back to his PhD
He's the
days.
omics guy.
Yeah, I used to work at Dharmacon, if you're familiar with Dharmacon. But I think that I mean, certainly the per patient value would be pretty high, but most of the solutions are fairly low, like rare. It's going to be generally
For now,
like more rare disease.
Yeah, Prasad has said as much.
Yeah.
He said if there's a pill for cholesterol, why would we change your genome?
Yeah.
But he didn't say the same thing for leukemia or for beta thalassemia, which they already have the IP.
Yeah, and that's I mean, that kind of, we've already seen like this major revolution in like utilizing genomic technologies, right? So we, like the mRNA vaccines, like a couple of years ago, the Nobel Prize in Medicine.
Doudna.
Yeah. So, and then as we saw, like Moderna came out of nowhere. Company was making these mRNA vaccines. So, that came directly from the Human Genome Project. 20 years later, what do you have? You have a technology that can build a vaccine against anything that has a genome. And then, another part of that is like, since we know the genome, and since we have all of this information, and since sequencing is so incredibly cheap today, now we can actually now once we have this technology that can potentially edit that, now it's all about delivery, right? Like whether or not you can get the delivery, and everyone.
And now it's turning into in vivo. Doudna's new company is called Azalea Therapeutics. They're not public yet. But it's all about in vivo treatments, not waiting 3 weeks or 4 weeks to get